little pop here, nice and easy.
Oh, sorry, hold on. Oh my God, okay.
Seeing God?
I'm seeing something. Wow. Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Same thing.
Oh, felt that. Ooh. Wow.
Here, look at this. This is pure chiropractic content. Yes, sir.
I just got a scraper, and I'll tell you, just so you know, if you don't know how to scrape, it's not pleasant. Got a 260-pound guy follow me in jiu-jitsu. A lot of noise was made.
Casual. You feel that already?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this way's good, this way's not. It's been about 3 weeks.
Okay.
I've been getting massages. I had one chiropractor work on me.
Yeah, but it wasn't me.
No, it wasn't. I didn't have the best.